How it's going, IQS crew? Welcome back to our channel. Buckle up because this might be our craziest Guess the Movie by Emoji challenge yet. Your mission is to decode 20 movie-s from emojis. Stack up 20 points. Let's see how sharp your skills really are. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. Can you discover the title of this film? The Lord of the Rings. Get ready for a 2-emoji movie puzzle. Finding Dory, so cute. Only one group doesn't belong. Can you find it? Impressive, you found the odd group out. Just 2 emojis. Can you guess the movie? That's The Good Dinosaur. Can you solve this emoji movie clue? Well spotted, The Godfather. Share your answer with IQS. Mulan. A love story on the ocean, Titanic. Look closely at these emojis. What movie comes to mind? Megan, no doubt. Do you know which movie this is? Mind blown, it's Coraline. What film are these emojis hinting at? Exactly right, The Karate Kid. Think you can solve this one? Science that changed the world. Oppenheimer. Name the movie. Ice Age. Venom, The Last Dance. Have you seen it? Which film is hidden in these emojis? It's Cop Shop. Brilliant. What movie do these clues reveal? The Incredible Hulk. Which movie do these emojis symbolize? Correct, that's Kill Bill. This sci-fi adventure is The Matrix. What film could this be? Wish, you can't be wrong. X-Men. What is your last movie guess? That's easy, right? Elemental.